What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be going over 5 reasons to not pick up the new Galaxy A53 5G. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. Now, using this phone for a couple weeks now, a few things have come to my attention and I feel like I'm finally ready to give you guys the reasons not to buy the A53. Now, there are many reasons to pick up this device and I have actually made a video about that, and I'll leave that in the description down below, but I have found some reasons that may or may not be a deal breaker for a certain customer. So we're going to go over those 5 reasons to not pick up the A53. And if this is like a make or break type of thing for you, then it may be a reason to not pick up this device. Again, I'm not going to be crapping on this device. This is going to be my honest opinions about it. I think it's a good phone for the price tag and everything. There are just a few different things that need to be fixed. Starting with the first reason, this device currently has the Exynos 1280, and that is actually weaker than the 778 we received from Snapdragon and the Galaxy A52s. Now, the A52s was a device that we received after the A52 5G. It was kind of a little bit of an upgrade from the Galaxy A52 to the A52s, and I know a lot of people have brought this to my attention, but the Exynos 1280 is not going to be stronger than even a previous device we got from the Samsung A series, so that kind of sucks that we have a weaker processor with a previous iteration. Getting into the next reason, this device does not come with the charger inside of the box. As you guys know, this is a very, very thin box. This does not come with the charger at all. However, it does come with a fast charging capability, which you can charge up to 25 watts on the Galaxy A53 5G. But the thing that sucks is you have to buy another charger if you don't have one online. And I feel like most people that have these devices don't even have that rate of charging on a charger. They just have, their base previous charger. So yeah, that kind of sucks. That's a reason to not pick up this device as well. And it's been getting actually really big in the news. There was someone who purchased an iPhone and they didn't get a charger inside of the box and they won like $1,000 or something like that in court. Crazy whole thing. Probably make a video on that later, but yeah, no charger in this device. And the third reason, now this is kind of the elephant in the room. This is definitely a deal breaker for a lot of people. I know you guys have been vocal about this in the comment section. But we don't have any 3.5mm headphone jack on this device. Now, this really sucks since, many devices around this price tag actually do offer a headphone jack. So all you audiophiles out there that you got your Sennheisers, your AKGs, your Carmen and Hardin, your earbuds or headphones or whatever. I know you guys love to have a DAC and stuff like that, and I would definitely go over to LG if you guys are an audiophile, because you could pick up so many really good devices for really cheap actually. But this device doesn't have a headphone jack. That is definitely another reason to not pick up this phone, and I feel like for a lot of people that is a deal breaker. There is, however, an option, always that option to go get that little dongle to put in that Type-C to connect your earbuds right there, but it's just one other thing that, adds to the phone, and it kind of is a little bit annoying, honestly, but you guys always have that option. Our next reason is no support for Dex. So we have no Samsung Dex on this device. As you guys can see, we're gonna go to the drop down bar menu. As you guys can see, you guys can't use Dex on here. Kind of sucks. We do have link to Windows though. If you guys want to go ahead and use that, that's really cool. That's another really good feature. But as far as Dex goes, Dex is only going to be on flagship devices. So either the Note line or the S line is going to have these. No A series devices are going to have those. But I think it would be really cool for Samsung to implement that in mid-range devices. What do you guys think? And our last reason to not pick up this device is we do not have wireless charging, which is weird. I thought they were going to 100% put in this phone since we do have that plastic back on this device. No wireless charging. So that kind of sucks. However, we do have NFC in this device. So that is something that I'm definitely excited for. No wireless charging though, but I want to know in the comment section down below, how important is wireless charging to you? Is it the main way that you guys charge your phone? Tell me in the comments down below. But yeah guys, hopefully this video did give you some value. If it did, definitely leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.